guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Modesty33 here, aka Crystal with a C, back at you in another video. And if you're new to my channel, you just happen to click on welcome. I try to put out 1 or 2 videos a week. I do sit downs, reviews, reactions, vlogs. So if any of that interests you, make sure you check out the prior videos on my channel, and if you see anything you like before you leave, make sure you subscribe. So today, you guys, is actually going to be an unboxing or reveal of a few items I recently purchased. So one I purchased today. Today is Sunday, August 18th, 2024. One I purchased last week, and it was kind of a random purchase, but I did want to show you guys that. Before we get into that though, I just wanted to show you guys my hair. I did like a twist out essentially this morning before going to church. And I did braiding and banding for my second wash that I've done on my own with my hair. Like, my hair's been washed more than 2 times since I've had these micro locks in. They've been washed by my loctician, but this is like my second me doing the wash myself. And so I washed it a different way from what I did the last time. So I washed my hair in the shower this time, whereas before I washed it under the sink. So if you don't care about this, you can fast forward the video, but I just like to give little updates on my look and how things are going. So yeah, as it relates to the hair, this is like a twist out. And the twist, the braids sat in for a few days. I washed my hair Friday. Again, today's Sunday. I took them out this morning with a little bit of oil, and this is what it's looking like even with the Texas humidity. So yeah, they're coming along. I get my 3rd retie next Saturday. So yeah, so with this next retie, it's like on a 4-week schedule. But yeah, I definitely have been sweating and hot with my hair down. It's interesting. Yeah, I've been wearing my hair down more since I got the micro locks. Just because too, part of it is I don't want to have a lot of tension on the edges. So that's why I've been trying to be more conscientious about wearing it down and kind of giving my hair a break from wearing part of it in a puff and part of it down. So that's the update on the hair. Now, let me get into the first item that I did purchase last week that unfortunately it wasn't in that video that I did upload, because I think, yeah, I purchased it after I purchased the Cartier bracelet, because again, this item was purchased from Hermes, and Hermes was not open last Sunday when I originally went to Cartier. So they were open Monday when I went back to Cartier. And I'll probably talk about that in another video, because I did take the bracelet back to Cartier, not because I didn't want it, but for an adjustment. But again, I'll talk about that in another video. But when I went back on Monday, I did go to Hermes, and yeah, I purchased something randomly. So let's talk about the Hermes piece before we get into the second part of the Cartier unboxing. I'm gonna try to be quick, you guys. So I went into Hermes because, like I mentioned in a prior video, there are 2 bags that I am quite interested in possibly adding one of the 2 to my collection, but they are quite popular and they are up there in price. So I did go into the store just to inquire if they had any one of those 2 pieces that I could possibly look at. I didn't expect to be offered a bag or, again, to purchase anything that day. I just wanted to see if they had any display items that I could look at. They said they don't. The bags are very popular, and anything in that design, again, is going to be very difficult to acquire. So they did tell me that, but they did offer that I could look around the store and see if there's anything else that I liked or wanted to look at. So I did look around, and I wound up looking at some makeup items. So this is the one item I did purchase. I have, the item does come packaged in like an orange box with a dust bag, but the dust bag has fallen on the floor, and I don't care to bend over and pick it up just for the presentation, you guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you. But I did purchase this right here, which is a lipstick. It is a limited or special edition lipstick for the season. So that's why I was kind of more inclined to buy it, but it's something I typically wouldn't necessarily invest money in. But yeah, when I did swatch it on the hand, I really liked it. So let me show you what the color looks like, and I'm gonna tell you what the color actually is on the receipt. So I've worn it down quite a bit over the past week. This is what the color looks like, and I'm actually wearing it on the lips now. So, and I do have it on with a lip pencil, even though I typically will wear it without a pencil, but the pencil I'm wearing it with is the NARS, what is this called? Power Matte High Intensity Lip Pencil in Bohemian Rhapsody. So I do have this on underneath the lipstick. And so the lipstick here, I have my receipt right here from Hermes. It is the Rouge Hermes Sheer Lipstick number 90, and the color is Prune Noir. and this retailed for $78. So again, very, very expensive for a lip product, especially one that's sheer. I really like the color though, and the fact that the color is buildable is something I really liked about it as well. So you could do like a sheer wash, like one coat, or you could build it up like I have been doing, and it has like a very pretty color on the lips. Now I will say again, because it's sheer, it does not last as long as say like a matte or a satin on the lips. So you do have to reapply it and check up on it. So that's one thing. And then when it does leave the lips, it does leave my lips a bit dry. So that's something I do keep in mind. But recently I have been really into like the topicals, slick, I don't know what you call that, the slick lip gloss, whatever, I don't know what you call it, but I'm kind of used to that level of moisture on my lips. So like with this doesn't really moisturize the lips, not to that extent is what I will say. But I just wanted to kind of give you a comparison of what I'm typically used to as it relates to moisture. Like I wear that topicals, yeah, the slick lip gloss. I wear that religiously. So yeah, this definitely does not leave the lips feeling like that when it does, you know, again, when the color is gone from the lips. So you do have to, like I said, reapply, and you have to be mindful that when the color does leave the lips, your lips can feel somewhat dry. At least mine do anyway. So I did want to share that item. Again, I purchased that from the store. It probably won't get me any closer to one of the 2 bags that I am wanting or considering at this time. However, I'm still glad I was able to get it. I have been enjoying it over the past week, and I think I'll continue to enjoy it. So without further ado, I want to get into the item that I did purchase this week from Cartier. This week, because I purchased something last week. But yeah, it wasn't my intent to do 2 different purchases or to do a part 1, part 2. I was going to wait a little bit later for this item, but I kept thinking about it after I purchased the bracelet, and you know how that goes. So yeah, I went back into the store today, did my last try-ons of the item, and then another item as another item with it, and yeah, made my decision. So I want to show you guys what it is. But yeah, came in this bag and comes in this Cartier box. And you guys have seen these boxes before, these lovely, beautiful Cartier boxes. Oh, this one has a little thing over. I've never seen that. Yeah, it's got like a little thing over. So in the box, there's actually nothing in here because I'm wearing the item. So let me go ahead and show you what it looks like, but that's just all the packaging in case you care. Some people really like, you know, again, the packaging portion of Cartier items, because the packaging is very special. I will say that. And in a world in 2024 where people are skimming on packaging, it's nice that with the jewelers, you're still getting the nice packaging. Now, I didn't want it to be in the gift packaging with this item because I just felt like it was going to be a waste. But yeah, I could have gotten that and requested that as well, and they would have done it. But the item that I purchased that I've been lusting after over a year, not really lusting, but I've just really been wanting it, is this one right here. So what is this item, guys? I would have put it in the box, but I just don't want it to leave my hand. I'm just going to be 100% honest. But what is this right here? I have it pulled up. This is the Trinity cushion ring in the medium model. I've seen quite a few unboxings on this item since it came out the beginning of the year. So the Trinity collection is very classic to Cartier, and this year they're celebrating the 100 years of the Cartier Trinity collection. So they did come out with some special edition pieces, this ring being one of them. So last year when I got back from London, I did try on the regular round Trinity ring. I tried on the like the smaller edition, which I think is like the wedding band one. That's about like $1,400. And then I tried the regular size, yeah, the regular size Trinity ring that has the wider bands, and that one is like $1,960. So I tried both of those on. I was a bit undecided about which one I really wanted, if I wanted the smaller one, like the daintier look, or if I wanted the regular size one. But in the middle of deciding, and I tried those rings on, I would say like September, and then I tried them on again in December. Then yeah, January, I was hearing about this collection that came out, and I was so glad I didn't purchase either one of those, even though they would have still been really nice classic purchases. No idea that it was 100 years for the Trinity collection. No idea they were going to come out with a special edition collection, which they call it the cushion or the squared off rings and necklaces and bracelets that they came out with as part of the collection. And yeah, I tried this one on, I feel like back in February originally, and I really did like it. I really, really liked it. And so, yeah, this is again what it looks like. What I like about it is that, you know, along with the regular round Trinity ring, you can like, it's very versatile where you can put it on the finger a different ways, and, you know, you can roll it on because it's 3 different rings in one. So you can roll it on and it gives you different looks on the ring. So right now I do have it on my left hand, my middle finger. So, and I have my other Cartier rings as well. I did get these shined today, like they did clean these today, and they look brand new virtually. So, but yeah, I just wanted to talk about this one for a little bit before we end off. So yeah, this one, the medium model retails for $21.70 in the store. So yeah, it's a little bit more expensive than the regular size round version of the Trinity ring. That one again is like $19.60. But it just kind of is a matter of what you do or don't like. A lot of people, I think, who I've watched videos, people feel like this is a bit more edgy, maybe more masculine. So if that's what your opinion is, I definitely advise you to try it on for yourself and see if you like it or if you think it's too masculine for your hand. I just thought it was way more different than the round, and it was giving me like more of a versatile look than the round version is, because you can also wear this ring like this at an angle. So I think that's really cool as well if you want to switch it up. But it's comfortable either way. Like, it's very comfortable. Originally, guys, when I went into the store last week and I tried the ring on with the bracelet, because this is the bracelet here. So, and this is the Cartier Love interlocking bracelet. They don't call it interlocking on the website. I think they just call it Love bracelet, but it is like the interlocking, yeah, kind of like little love rings here. And so I got my Justin Clue shined as well, but this is what it all looks like on the right hand. So yeah, originally when I was thinking about getting this ring, I wanted the ring for my right hand. I was gonna wear it on the right thumb. And I think that's what was giving me the meh feeling, because, you know, I have all these rings on my left hand. Like, I have my Clash ring here. I have my Justin Clue here that I usually will wear anywhere between my thumb and my middle finger. And so I was putting that ring on the thumb and it looked nice. It looks fine. Let me do that now. You guys can kind of see. Cause like, I am blessed to where, yeah, my rings do fit multiple fingers. They don't fit these 2, but they will fit these 3. So this was originally what I was wanting. And I was feeling, again, a bit meh about it just because, and I was wanting it because I do have my 2 Trinity bracelets on my right hand. So I was like, oh, that would be nice to kind of finish out the Trinity collection for myself with getting the ring, the cushion ring that can match my actual Trinity bracelets that I wear on my wrist. So it was a bit meh for me. I don't know when I kept trying it on here, but I was really wanting it for this thumb. And I was just like, I don't know if I really love it. I don't know if I really like it. But then when I went ahead and decided on getting the ring, because then I ended up trying the ring on my right hand, and I was like, yeah, I think I can make this work. And then when my sales associate, when she went in the back to shine my rings and my Justin Clue, I put the ring on my middle finger of my left hand, and I was like beaming from ear to ear, guys. Like, I was like, oh my gosh, that's what the issue is. I kept trying to fit it on the thumb of my right hand, and it just wasn't doing anything for me. But then when she came back with my other 2 rings, I put them on the thumb, and then I put this on the middle finger. And guys, I don't know, maybe I'm just crazy, I'm delusional, I will accept it, but it just, I don't know, it's just something. There's just something here, guys. There's just something here. I feel like we are finished. We are complete. I don't know. There's nothing else I definitely like, as far as Cartier jewelry, there's nothing else I really want for the right hand. And I think I'm just kind of content with the way the left hand, or with my right hand. So I think, yeah, I'm good with the left hand. I don't think there's anything else that needs to be added here. And I think with my right hand, I'm just kind of content with the basic jewelry that I wear on my right hand, because I am right-handed, so I don't like a whole lot going on, even though I'm mostly typing, so I'm typing with both hands. But yeah, I don't know, it's something about the left hand and the jewelry on the left hand that's just, I don't know, giving me so much life. And yeah, like, I'm just absolutely happy that I was able to get both of these items. And this bracelet was originally supposed to be from my right hand as well, because I did stack it with at least the one Cartier Trinity bracelet, and it looked fine. But then I had the whole vision of adding this on top of my Justin Clue. So yeah, I kept trying to add something, but I just think I'm really content with the way that my right hand looks. And I just like adding things to my left hand. It's just kind of odd or weird. I don't know. But yeah, so that's pretty much all I wanted to say about those few items that I purchased. So 2 out of the 3 items I've really wanted, I have now. I'm very happy. Jewelry for me, again, is never a waste. There's not 1 penny or cent wasted on jewelry. My jewelry has gotten more wear than anything else luxury I have ever purchased. So that's why, like, yeah, it is expensive. You know, you're being upcharged for the name Cartier, but it's just a matter of what you do and don't like, guys. I just think these are very unique designs from Cartier. The clash ring is unique. The Justin Clue are unique. I mean, this love bracelet to me is more unique than the actual bangle. So yeah, and even like the Trinities, like just the movement on these, I don't know. I just think they're very unique. And I also, like I mentioned, I have rings and jewelry from other brands, like from Kay's. Kay's is my tried and true, where I have my ring, my necklace, as well as my earrings. So ain't nothing wrong with it, guys. But like, yeah, my jewelry gets more use than anything else that I purchase. So jewelry for me is just never a waste. Nothing is wasted with jewelry. So very happy to have this piece. And I think I'm done with Cartier, at least for a while, you guys, because I don't have anywhere else to put things. Of course I have my right hand, but I find that like everything I put on my right hand, it's meh. I don't know, it's not doing it for me. So I think I'm done. I think I'm done with my jewelry, and I'm very happy to be in that place that I'm done for now. Anything else I get is gonna be gifted. So as far as the dollars and cents I am spending, again, I think I'm done for a while. There's nothing else that I want. I'm so happy with this piece here. So I will give you guys an update, like probably first impressions. I'll probably do that with this piece and let you know how I feel about this one. And other than that, guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Also, make sure you share it with anyone else who likes this type of content. And before you leave, make sure you do subscribe to the channel. You do that by hitting the red button below and the bell next to it, so you're notified when I do upload future videos. Again, you guys, thank you so very much for watching. I really appreciate it, and I will see you in my very next video. Bye, guys.